I am Terry Price and I like Maltesers. Scoocher! Cheer for us. This is my scooter chick. Oh, I'm on McDonald's. Got all the fast food restaurants over there. We got Subway, we got Craig's, we got McDonald's. Got it all. Got KFC. Let's get going. Got end-ring grips. Stretched. There's all my hands there. Got a Bikeco flange. Primo Sam Scotch bars. Don't ask me. I think they're 28.5 wide, 8-inch rise, 8.75 rise. Well, yeah. Well, no, I mean you don't do it. Got a Hoffman top loader stem. Good. Doesn't slip out bars. Good. They don't bend. Got an FSA impact headset. Really good. It doesn't really spin because I've got this gyro that needs fixing. Like, I only got in like 6 this morning. Just shitty Thomas Cook. Fuck you, Thomas Cook. Fucking delayed my flight till 6. So 4-hour delay. And on the way here, the plane had to make an emergency. On the way to Tenerife, plane on me.
You've been ball banged. Oh.
Has to make an emergency landing. So federal drop forks, which are cut down. 4 shadow pegs. Good thing about forks is they don't bend. They don't loosen the bolt. I think that's a Tektro lever, but it's like one of these clip-on ones. Odyssey G3 gyro.
Yeah, you've been wearing a hat.
Can't believe how good the calipers are. Tektro babes, which lock on. Sick. A 12 Voltron flame. 20.6. Wheel set, clap wheel set off the We The People Envy. Clap, both female, right hand drive 9.2, but it can be switched, so you can have a left hand drive if you want to. Ow. We've got shitty We The People gripping tyres. Wait till you see how sexy it is. Look how fucking worn down it is. Look at it. They're United. It's like, it's got United, like these bearing things. I don't even know what you call them. I think they're cones. But the exposure bearings. Shadow pedals, shadow ravager, they're alright. This is alright, the bottom bracket. Better than shit United bottom bracket. 2 teeth. Yeah. But good though, it hasn't bent, it's still rideable.
You put the battery in the account. You don't do it on his own.
We ride a KMC chain, as you can see it's sort of inbred. Hi! Dickheads! And then we've got the red line cranks, which are good. Then we've got shut up! Right, we've got Halford seat post, really long. I like doing bar spins. Look, many bars. Woohoo! Yay! Got King Sean Sexton seat. Love the seat, very nice, good design. King. Primo E-Comet tyre, shit. We've already done the back wheel, pads exposure. And I think
I just noticed you doing a bike check. I thought like you'd snap the cranks.